In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find vacant properties in Propwire. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here at the propwire.com. And once you're in there, you can see these buttons for signing up. Proceed to click on this sign up option if you don't have an account yet, but if you already have it, just proceed to log in. I'll show you what it would look like onto my dashboard. Here is my dashboard right here. Just choose right here the location that you want to search, as well as enter right here the lead types. If you want to look for vacant properties, click onto this and scroll down to the bottom until you find vacant homes, as well as vacant lots. Let's choose right here this, and after that, this will apply a filter onto our properties. We already have one right there. So you can click onto this. Once you have clicked on this, it should be able to give you an image as well as the estimated property value, lot in square feet, as well as other options like mortgage balance, open mortgages that it has, lender names, and the likes. If you want, you can contact the owner directly from in here by clicking on this contact the owner, or you can also click on this owner tab. It will show you the full name, mailing address, phone numbers, as well as the portfolio for this. We have in here the property type, which can be land or commercial depending on the usage, and it will change the property value directly from here as well. You can see right here the year that has been built, and from in there you can just proceed to add it onto your list. You can also see its history as well as the market for this as well. So you can see that it's on the mortgage purchase method. The document type is a loan modification and the last sale date is around 2015. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.